What's going on, guys? How y'all doing today? I hope you're doing well. So today we're going to talk about expectations for 2020. We got a new decade coming, guys. So we got to remember that this old decade is gone. The past is the past. The new is the new. We got to focus on the future and not the past, okay? And I will say, for the most part, that things don't really change in the marketing world. They just get more advanced and they get easier, okay? So what I'm going to do for 2020 is my main focuses on this channel are going to be teaching you guys how to build funnels, teaching you guys how to build websites, teaching you guys advertising, okay? And just miscellaneous stuff. So we'll be doing a lot of marketing. There'll be chatbot marketing in there once I start learning it a little bit more. I don't know chatbot marketing all that well, but what we do is when I do get to know it and I do understand a little bit more, I will be teaching you guys chatbot marketing, okay? But right now we're gonna focus on ClickFunnels. We're gonna focus on Bluehost and web hosting. We're gonna teach you guys how to build websites, okay? Different web page builders. We'll be doing reviews. We'll be doing demos. We'll be doing, about 3 days a week, I'm gonna be doing demos on ClickFunnels. Guys, I am an affiliate of ClickFunnels, but the thing is, I'm a big believer in ClickFunnels. That is why. I don't push products that I don't believe in. That's why I don't have like 12 different products. I will be teaching you guys GetResponse. GetResponse is an email marketing service, and believe email marketing service that is very, very easy to use and very cheap, and it's very good, okay? A lot of top marketers use GetResponse. I have used at least 5 or 6 different automated email automation services, or as we call autoresponder services, okay? I've used SendLane, I've used GetResponse, I've used Aweber, I've used MailChimp, I've used ClickFunnels, I've used, well, I haven't used ClickFunnels. I got a little trial with it I got to use, but didn't really get experience because obviously it was a 14-day trial. And we'll go into that a little bit deeper if you want, but you can ask about that, why I didn't use it. It's simple, but I'm not gonna get into that. I've also used Market Hero. So that's 6 different things. Market Hero was really good. I liked it, but it was a little bit more complicated than it needed to be. That was my review on it. The reason is I don't think a newbie or somebody that's new at email marketing can come in and just jump on that and understand what everything is. Now, was it very, very easy to use? To me, it was easy to use in the fact of I know how to do it. Now, the average Joe coming in, if you don't know what tags are or what email or leads are or anything like that, you're not going to know what you're doing with that. I did like the use of it, so it's good. But when it comes down to it, SendLane, GetResponse, and Market Hero have been my favorite. But the thing is, I really like how GetResponse works. So I'm also going to be teaching you guys how to use GetResponse, okay? So coming up, 2020, we're going to be doing a lot of reviews on stuff, demos. I'm going to be teaching you guys, how, like I said, how to build websites, how to use funnels for sales, how to market, how to pick a successful product to market, and then how to use ClickFunnels and a website to build it, to use it for affiliate marketing. I'm also going to be teaching you guys how to use YouTube marketing, Facebook marketing, chatbot marketing, Instagram marketing. I just got a couple of new books for Christmas on Instagram and Facebook marketing. One thing I am trying to get in really big into 2020 is execution. My biggest thing is, and my biggest flaw is not getting out there and doing the work, okay? I study. I absorb knowledge, but I don't take it out and put it into the world enough. I do it, but I don't put it in enough. So what I'm going to do is 2020 is going to be the year of execution, the year of advertising, and the year of just getting off my butt and making things happen. Taking what I know for knowledge and putting it out there, not just to sit there and just take it in. I don't advertise enough, okay? So I'm going to be advertising a lot, guys. If you got questions about ClickFunnels, if you got and how it uses and how it works and why you should need it and all this stuff, make sure you check it out. If you got questions on how to build a website, how to use a web hosting service, how to use different page builds, how to make your experience easier with building websites, please check out this channel. If you want to know different products, I will be testing out different software products. I will even use them for like 30 days, spend the money, get it out there, and do reviews on it, okay? We'll be doing different things like using TubeBuddy, which is a tool that you use for YouTube to build your channel up. You also might be doing something, I might use, it's called VidCue. It's another tool that they use, a little bit more advanced. I think it's a little bit more expensive, but they also use that for YouTube. I'll be teaching you YouTube marketing. I'll be teaching you Facebook advertising. I'll be teaching you Instagram advertising, Bing advertising, all kinds of different advertisings. Okay, how to use that to get your product out there. We'll also be talking about TikTok. I have never used TikTok, but we're going to get into TikTok. I've never really used LinkedIn. I have a page. I've used it here and there, but supposedly right now it's the thing to go with. So we're going to go with LinkedIn also. Okay, those are 2 things that we're going to bring in that are going to change right now, that are like the new Facebook advertising, but they've been around for a while, but it's the new Facebook advertising. Also, I will be teaching you guys how to use Pinterest in some point. Not right now, because I have to learn a little bit more about Pinterest. I have to learn a little bit more about LinkedIn and a little bit more about TikTok. But I'm going to teach you guys the full plan of what you need to know to be able to get out and use marketing to make you money, okay? I'm also going to build boot camps. I'm going to have courses built this year. I'm going to have... we're going to be talking about courses, boot camps. I'll be giving away free email boot camps, like where they're written out. I'll be giving away cheat sheets and all kinds of different stuff. I want to help you guys out, okay? And all I ask for you in return is if I say, hey, this is a bonus, just go sign up with me. It helps me out. It helps you out. It's free for you. It doesn't hurt you any financially wise. And I just want to help out, okay? Yes, I'm here for money, okay? This is what I do every day. I couldn't just sit here and record for you guys and say, okay, well, guys, you know, I need to make my bills somehow. So I do have a full-time job, as you see, but the thing is, I love this job. I'm allowed to do this stuff at work. That's why I love this job, and that's why I've kept this job. My main concern is making sure that my kid is taken care of, making sure my girl's taken care of, and making sure that life is the way it needs to be. I want to travel and get on stage and teach people this stuff. I want to teach people about how to keep their mind right and everything else, guys. So this is not just one, broad spectrum. I have a lot of different mindsets that I want to put out there and teach people. Okay, so 2020 is going to be broad, but like I said, we're going to start with one main focus and we're going to broaden the horizon as we go. Okay, so guys, make sure you keep up here, subscribe to the channel. Please hit that subscribe button. I promise you will not regret the material that you're going to get. If you have any suggestions, hit them up. Don't be rude about it, because the thing is, they're stupid to be rude. I'm just asking for some suggestions. Hey, I'd like to learn this. Can you teach me this? Hey, the way you talk about this, it needs to be a little more clear. Whatever it is, I am good with criticism, but just don't be a jerk about it, okay? Because I would never be a jerk. I would never get on a YouTube channel and be like, you're an idiot, Because the thing is, just because you're an idiot to me doesn't mean you're not an idiot to 3,000 other people, okay? Remember, what you don't know, or what you know, somebody else might not know. And we have over 7.7 billion people in this world. So think about that. There could be 1 little % of people that you help. And if you think about it, that's like, what is that? Oh, it's like 7 million people that you're helping just by 1%. I think that's the number I'm looking at here. So think about that. That's a crazy number if you think about it. 7 million. No, I want to say it's more than that. I want to say 700. Yeah, no, I think it's 7 million people is 7.7 million people. So guys, just follow me, okay? Also, let me get into this. So for the next 100 days, I'm going to be doing 100 recordings, okay? Every day. That's my thing right now. Starting December 26th, 100 recordings in 100 days, okay? I want to put it out every day. I want to get more traction in this channel. I want to help you guys. I want to execute. That's what I do. I have a vlog channel that I do also about my daily vlogs. And then I have this channel, okay? I'm going to also try to broaden that horizon and do some more channels. But the thing is, right now, these are my 2 focuses, okay? 100 for 100. And if you have any, guys, my daily vlog, I do fitness. If you guys want to know anything about fitness, let me know. I know I don't look it right now, but it's been the Christmas days. So, okay, well, guys, I appreciate everything you do. I appreciate you watching this channel. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Ring the little bell. Ring it. Ding, 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 ding. Ring that thing. Get the notifications every time I upload. Okay? And make sure if you like this video or any other video I post, please hit that thumbs up button. Also, engage with me. Comment down below. Just give me, hey, I really appreciate the video. Hey, you've helped me out a lot. Hey, you know what? I don't even care if you say I suck. It's fine. I'm not going to hurt about it. Just don't curse. I mean, I don't really expect that. So, guys, I really appreciate everything. I love everything about it. 2020 is going to be a great year, guys, for affiliate marketing, for advertising, for building funnels, for getting everything out there, guys. Okay, let's make this money together. Let's get this world the way it needs to be. Let's get the people out there understand what marketing is. You guys want to do a collaboration and you have your own YouTube channel, you got questions, throw me a message down there in the comments and let me know. Let's get together. Let's do this thing. Let's make 2020 the year to do big things, okay? Let's finish off 2019 with a bang and let's go big things. And as I always say as I start my videos, here we go. Let's bring in 2020 the way it goes. I love you guys and I'm out.